Well, I'm one step closer to having the Bonanza running. This has totally been a work in progress. Now, I had decided to keep it original and try to make it look like its age, and try not to put anything aftermarket on it or anything like that. So what I did was I took off the Tecumseh carburetor that they had on there, and this is the throttle cable that was on there. I bought this kit from OMB Warehouse, and then basically I trimmed the throttle cable to length. I bought this kit from the same place. Actually, it was one kit. And then the gas tank is off another engine. The carburetor's off another engine. The carburetor is completely rebuilt. However, I have not tested it yet. And I went through great lengths not to clean this stuff, except on the inside, so that it would appear to be as original as possible. But anyway, I'm going to put a little gas in it now and see if I can fire it up. I'm pretty happy. The only thing is that the throttle, this has got a pretty stiff spring on it, but it doesn't return fast enough. I mean, it's fine for me because I can push it back, but when kids get on there, that kind of scares me, so it comes back pretty slow. So I'll add a little oil and see if that helps, and if it doesn't, I'll add a little bit more spring. So anyway, that's about it. Well, that didn't go so good. Started easier than I thought, but see what's going on here. Now that she's warmed up and tuned up, and well, not tuned up, but the carburetor's pretty tuned, but the spark plug and the points, none of that stuff's been messed with, at least not that I know of. But I'm not going to mess with any of that until it has a failure. But anyway, now that the carburetor's tuned up, she's a one-pole girl. there you have it. So basically, I got between the air cleaner, the carburetor, the gas tank, parts off 3 different engines, and then the throttle linkage setup was from OMB Warehouse. So that's the Bonanza so far. Now all I need is a chain and a couple of bushings, and it'll be ready to ride.